Welcome to the Smart Learners Club. Hello, buddy. Today we are going to learn Nepali to English verb words for daily use. So, let's get started. Khanu or khanchu, to eat. For example, I want to eat an ice cream. Malai ice cream khanu मन छ. I will eat later. म पछि खान्छु. पिउनु, to drink. We need to drink 4 liters of water daily. हामीले सधैँ 4 लिटर पानी पिउनु पर्दछ. I want to drink a mango juice. मलाई आमरस खानु मन छ. सुन्नु, to listen or hear. ल ई स लिस, TENN, listen. ह ई ही, ARR, hear. सुन्नु, to listen or hear. Example, I like to listen Indian music. मलाई भारतीय सङ्गीत सुन्न मन पर्दछ. Did you hear the bell ringing? तिमीले बेल बजेको सुन्यौ? Why don't you listen to your parents? तिमी आफ्नो माता पिताले भनेको कुरा किन सुन्दैनौ? I heard someone crying. मैले कसैले रोको सुने. बोल्नु, speak or talk. SP spa, EAK ick, speak. Ta LK uck, talk. बोल्नु, speak or talk. Talk with me in English. मसँग अङ्ग्रेजीमा बोल्नु. She is speaking to her mother. ऊ आफ्नो माताजीसँग बात गर्दैछिन्. Why aren't you talking to me? तिमी मसँग किन नबोलेको? हाँस्नु, to laugh. UGH, laugh. Laughing is a good exercise. हाँस्नु एक राम्रो व्यायाम हो. We should not laugh at the needies. हामीले गरिबहरूमाथि हाँस्नु हुँदैन. Why is he laughing at the old man? ऊ तो बुढो मान्छेमाथि किन हाँसेको? रुनु, to cry. Why are you crying? तिमी किन रोको? Please don't cry. कृपया नरो. Crying sometimes is good for our eyes. कोही बेला रोको हाम्रो आँखाको लागि राम्रो हो. सिक्नु, to learn. ARN, learn. सिक्नु, to learn. I want to learn yoga. मलाई योगा सिक्नु मन छ. He is learning to swim. ऊ पौडी खेल्न सिक्दैछ. Learning is a lifelong process of growth.